everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I have a really fun video for you in Pretty in Pink home. It's about an ice bucket that I'm gonna decorate it with flowers, and they're gonna be two different ones, so I will show you, and we're gonna have a beautiful setup with that. So let's go ahead and start it. Alright, here are the flowers. I got the big roses. I have the small one, and we have these flowers that are kind of flat, so we can use it for the ice bucket. The big roses, I'm going to use them for the balloons. So we got just regular balloons. We're gonna cut the stem, put the flower inside like this, and then pour it with water. I'll show you how to do. And this is the bottle ice mold that we put the flower with the ice, and tomorrow, once it's ready, we'll use it as a champagne bucket. So I'm gonna cut these from the end like that, so they come out flat. You could use lime, lemon, oranges, depends on what color you want. But because I want them pink, so I used flower. And they go like this. Very pretty. Alright, so here's the bucket. As you can see, the flowers are flat, so it's easy to put in. You could do roses as well, but it's gonna be a little bit difficult to pat them in, but this is much better. Now all we do, we pour water inside and put it in the freezer. So here's you pour the water. We do it very slowly so the flower won't move that much. Alright, and the last one, we're gonna do the big roses, and we're gonna use the balloon. Just get a regular balloon, doesn't need to be anything fancy. So we're just gonna cut the stem. But this is a two people job, so one person needs to hold the balloon for you, and then you stick the rose in, you add it to the water, or you can just use pitcher or at the sink. Whichever makes it easier, you can do. So here it is, we hold the balloon, we stick the rose, and then we're gonna pour the water. I'll show you when the water goes in. Alright, so here's the balloons. We pour in the water and we secure the bottom. I did only 5, you can do as much as you want. We're gonna keep it in the freezer for a couple of hours or 24 hours, same as the other ice bucket and the ice mold, and we could do the rest next day. Alright, let me show you how these beautiful roses came out. So I just removed the balloon, and you just put it underwater for like a few seconds to make it kind of shiny, and this gorgeous roses come out, so you can use it for your wines. I'm chilling my white one on it, or you can just use it for any drink, lemonade or anything that you want. So this came out very pretty. I will show you the other one. Alright, for the next one, this is the base. It comes with the mold, and it does have this on it, so it will hold it tight. So we put this in here. I take out this from the freezer. It's very pretty as well. So the first thing, we have to run it under a little bit hot water so the ice comes out, and we place it here. I'll show you when it comes out. Alright, so I run hot water on top. I hold it for like 3-4 minutes, and then now we're just taking it out. Look how beautiful this turned out. And all you do, just you put the bottle of wine on the middle. Let me show you one. Alright, so here's the final product. As you can see, I tried to come up with a very simple setup so you can get ideas for your own home, and I made a very cool drink also that I have it on my Instagram and Pretty Pink Home, so you can see. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and cheers!